My name is Jason Trellier. I'm a fleet manager with Lhoist here in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. We transport a liquid lime slurry in its natural form is just pulverized limestone. It's an important part of our region's infrastructure, airports, highways, new housing developments, essential for soil stabilization here in North Texas. Some of the challenges that we had here in our area was from moving from the city out to kind of the country land was lack of self-service. The previous tank monitor that we had ran off of self-service and it would not read out, would not report. And a big part of my job as a fleet manager is to run reports as far as inventories, gallons in, gallons out, monitor deliveries. That helps with our month reporting. And so without the accurate readings, it was kind of difficult to make accurate reports. So in a bind, I came across TankScan. The people there at TankScan offered a satellite monitor. Thus far has been very pleasing. The dashboard is very easy to navigate. Reporting is easy, and monitoring my inventory levels. So in a bind and a quick fix, TankScan, the satellite, gives out numerous readings per day. So quite pleased with the satellite tank monitor.